Avoid procrastination. Today we'll be talking about 6 things to avoid with your fitness journey. Hello everyone, you're on Home Switch. My name is Queen. Here we talk about psychological and physical health and how both of these are connected. If this is something that you are interested in, then remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you know the next time I release a new video. Now, today we'll be talking about things to avoid as you progress through your fitness journey. We have talked about what you need, the mindset, the timing, and all of that. But it is also important to know the things to avoid during your fitness journey or during your workout and your routine so that you have an effective workout and a very productive fitness journey. So what is the first thing that you need to avoid? Avoid unrealistic goals. I have said this before, but I need to emphasize on this. Avoid unrealistic goals. You cannot look at someone and be like, oh, this is exactly how I'm going to be. You have to consider your genetics and your body type and what you yourself you're trying to achieve. And then you also have to realize that you and someone are on two different fitness journey and your time period is not the same. So avoid unrealistic goals. You cannot be like, oh, I'm trying to go from skinny to buff in 2 weeks. That's not realistic. Be very realistic with your timing, be very realistic with your goals, and be very realistic with what you're trying to achieve. Remember to make your plan based on what your goal is going to be. The second thing that you need to avoid is unhealthy diet. Oh my god, I can't even emphasize this. Now, I'm not someone who eats like 3 times a day. My norm is not to eat 3 times a day, right? Because that's how I am. Everybody's different. And just because someone is not eating 3 times a day does not mean that they are unhealthy. So you need to know your body. One, you need to know how your body functions. 2, you need to know the level of activity that you have to compensate with your diet. If you are trying to gain weight, you will need to eat more. Like I think there's a whole science to it, yes, but it's also logical. You need to eat more to gain weight, and then you need to put on more muscle mass by going to the gym and increasing the size of your muscles to gain weight and actually appear bigger. If you are trying to lose weight, you need to eat less. I mean, not drastically. Like I said, everything is based on what your goal is. So if you're trying to lose weight, you need to eat less, do more cardio, and then try to cut back like the fat that you already store. This is how it works. Be very nice to your body. Don't stress your body. You're already putting stress on your body. Even though it's good stress, you're already putting stress on your body by working out. So you want to compensate your body and feed your body appropriately. So don't overfeed and do not underfeed. Don't starve yourself and don't eat too much. Some people like to consume a lot right after working out. I don't usually advise that. I feel like you should have a plan, a meal plan, if you can afford to do that, and plan your meals according to what your goal is, what your fitness goal is. And we also have to remember that your diet is also part of your fitness journey. It's not just the workouts and the routines and all of that. Your diet is also part of your fitness journey. Along with your diet is also your water intake. Make sure you do not dehydrate yourself. Like, you don't be dehydrated. Get yourself a bottle, get yourself a timer, time yourself, set alarms, and drink water. I need to drink more water. You need to drink more water. We all need to drink more water. Water is important. Do not get yourself dehydrated. Number 3, avoid taking too long of rest days. Okay, like I said, have a routine. It is very important for you to have a routine. I've said this multiple times, have a routine. And then follow that routine. One thing that happens when you start your fitness journey, or even while you are in it, is that you take too long to rest. So you work out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and maybe Saturdays or Fridays, whatever. And then after that you take 1 week break. And then you come back again Monday, Wednesdays, Friday, and then you take maybe 2 weeks break. The longer you take breaks, the less inclined you are to actually do your workouts, the less inclined you are to actually bring yourself forward and be available for your workout. So remember not to take too long. When I say don't take too long of rest, I don't mean don't take rest at all. I mean be consistent with your rest days the way you're consistent with your active days. Don't take too long of rest days, and don't take too short of rest days. Which brings me to my number 4, which is know when to rest. If you worked out every single day for 1 week, rest on the 8th day. Like even God took rest. Like, calm yourself down. You won't blow up in 1 week. Your muscles need time to rest, and your body needs time to recover. So remember to take rest days. If you are injured, you do not need to work out. Like, if you've injured your pec, it would be ridiculous for you to start working out your pec. You will just damage your body. Like, it does not make sense. Know when to rest. Know what body part to rest. If you've worked out your legs for a long time, move to another part of your body. Let your body adjust to the new form that you've given it. Or if you've injured yourself, give yourself time to recover. Know when to rest, and know when the rest is enough. Number 5, stop boring yourself out. Make sure you do not get bored with your workouts, and this happens a lot. I think almost everyone complains about this. Like, switch up your workouts. I am going to make the next video how to make your workouts interesting, like interesting ways to spice out your fitness journey. Do not bore yourself out. Switch up your workouts. Even if you can always be doing a very like, how do I put it? Yes, the movements might be very similar, but switch it up. Make it variable. Variable sounds like math. Make it a variety of movements that is targeting whatever it is you're trying to target. Do not stick particular to one particular type of routine. It has a way of boring you out, and then you'll not be inclined to actually want to do the workout or the routine anyways. So make your workout routine fun, and do not bore yourself out. Avoid boredom. There are so many things to do in the fitness world that could spice up your fitness journey. And then the 6th thing, which is to me the most important one, don't procrastinate. Like, you say you're going to work out now, just work out now. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination is a thief of time. It is not a lie, it's not just a saying, it is fact. You procrastinate on anything, you will not get it done, you will not accomplish on it. And the thing about your fitness journey, like I've said before, is that it adds up. Every single movement adds up. Every single time that you give yourself the opportunity to work out your muscle, it adds up. Whatever your fitness goal is, if it's to just stay fit, build muscle mass, be strong, every time that you work out, it adds up. So make sure that you show up consistently. Make sure that you show up effectively for your routines and your workouts, and you will see results. Be patient with yourself. You will see results. Results will not fly through the window, but with consistency and with effectiveness, your results will come. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very short. I wanted to make it very precise, very direct, so that you guys know what to avoid in your fitness journey, and then you enjoy your workouts and your fitness journey more with more results and not wasting your time. Like I said, in the next video we'll be talking about how to make your workout or your fitness journey very fun. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so I know that this video is helpful to you, and then turn on your notification bell so you know next time a video is released. And I hope to see you in the next one. Be safe and have a wonderful day.